Hey, Linda Germain here with Printmaking Without a Press, and I just wanted to show you a little bit about gelatin printing on fabric. We use the gelatin plate, screen printing inks, and the same kind of tools as with paper, stencils and stamping tools. So let's look at a bunch of prints that I've pulled in preparation for the upcoming class. We can get some lovely detailed impressions with the offset marks, stamped into marks. We can use stamping tools to create backgrounds. You can stamp directly onto the fabric, or you can stamp into the plate and then release onto the fabric. It's about learning what marks are possible and combining those marks to make unique, one-of-a-kind prints. One of the things is that you need to encourage the ink to transfer, and one way that we do that is by modifying the ink with water. The trick is to modify it just enough so it releases onto the fabric, but not so much that you lose your details. So if this sounds interesting, check out the details at lindagermain.com and hope to see you in a class soon.